Hi, I'm Dan with Cali Raised, and today we're going to show you how to install the LCA skids for the 6th Gen Toyota 4Runner.
For hardware, you're going to receive 4 3/8 lock nuts, 4 3/8 flange washers, and 4 3/8 carriage bolts. You're going to receive 2 1/2-inch carriage bolts, 2 1/2-inch washers, and 2 1/2-inch lock nuts.
So first, you're going to take your 1/2-inch bolt, go through the center slot. So we're going to go through this hole here, and you're going to move it over to poke it through. Push your washer on, and then your lock nut. Now that we have the 1/2-inch bolt in, we're going to go ahead and do the 3/8. These are still on there pretty loose. When we're tightening it, there's some adjustability in this, and we're going to want to have this slid as far back as you can get it. And we're going to tighten these down one at a time, and you're going to do the same exact thing to the other side. And that's how you install the LCA skids for the 6th Gen Toyota 4Runner. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Cali Raised LED's YouTube channel, as well as visiting CaliRaisedLED.com to get other awesome products just like these.